Welcome to the Grey Zone with Ali Manzoor, a show where we challenge assumptions, stereotypes, viewpoints on various complex issues, and hopefully foster critical thinking. With me on the second mic today is Rashna.
Hello,
Hello Rashna, how are you?
I'm very well.
क्या हो रहा है? क्या पक रहा है?
बस आज कहानियाँ पकड़ी हैं खेलों के बारे में.
अच्छा. You know who's with us today?
I do indeed.
Yes, the great Altamash Jiva. Altamash, how are you and welcome to the show.
Assalamualaikum Ali, thank you so much
Walaikum
for
assalam.
having me.
खैरियत से हैं आप?
Salam to Rashna as well.
Nice
Good
to
luck
meet
to you
you.
guys with your new podcast.
Sir,
Thank
with
you.
having you there, I'm sure it's going to get a lot of traction. It's going to get a lot
Let's
of
hope it
views.
does. Let's
and
hope it
I'm
does.
sure. अच्छा, can I start by introducing you? अगर आपकी इजाज़त हो,
Please,
वैसे
please.
तो I think Altamash doesn't need any introduction.
Absolutely.
He himself is a name within himself. But he is Pakistan's first English sports broadcaster in Pakistan. 20 years in Dawn, where he worked with me also, PTV Sports and CNN International.
And he's the only sports journalist to have interviewed people like Andy Murray, Novak Djokovic, and who else? Roger Federer, no less, Figo, Kaka. But more than anything else, he also worked on a sports scandal, a massive corruption scandal, the FIFA 2015 story with CNN, no less.
इसके अलावा he's also been currently covering football. And he's doing a lot for promotion of football. So Altamash, let's jump into it.
Let's do it.
Sports, Pakistan,
Yes.
cricket. So it's going to go there.
Yes, of
Okay.
course. Of
Always.
course.
हाँ जी, the latest series.
Something we've been fighting in the media for very long, that other sports should get the due coverage as well.
Correct.
Because you'll be surprised to know that in hockey we have many more laurels and many more trophies and achievements than cricket. जितनी hockey की है और squash की, cricket doesn't even come maybe 1/4 close to it.
Yes.
But
So in our first episode in my discussion with Rashna, it's called The True Shade of Green.
Yeah.
And usme we talked about hockey being a national sport,
Yeah.
but cricket being the love of the people.
And the sad part is, if you go to a sports shop, and there are quite a few right here as well, because we're very close to a very historic sports ground, sports facility of
Yes.
Karachi, you won't get hockey sticks anymore.
Really?
You know how sad that is? We actually made a report on that. Went into a
That's
few
really
sports
sad.
shops.
Hockey sticks are not available
Hockey
anymore.
sticks are not available. There was a time, see, we grew up in the 90s, late 80s, early 90s when we grew up. We saw our parents talking about the good hockey, squash,
Yes.
and we would know all the players. अगर आप दोनों से मैं पूछता हूँ, myself included, अगर हम hockey की team की बात करें, besides one or two players, you wouldn't even know who's on the team right now. Forget about the days जब उनकी jerseys हमें shops में आने से पहले बिक जाती थी.
बिल्कुल.
So now you don't get jerseys, you don't get sticks. So,
And you know that
yeah.
we've actually won more medals at the Olympics in hockey than
Yes,
we have
of course.
cricket World Cups.
Yes,
So-
that's exactly what I said. Cricket, and then
Like-
last year our legend Nadeem Arshad, what he pulled off, right? Who would have thought?
Yeah.
अच्छा,
sir.
हॉकी की क्योंकि आप बात कर रहे थे, before I go back into my questions,
Yes.
हॉकी में if you notice, even hockey commentary
Yes.
was an art.
Yes.
Absolutely.
हर बंदे के बस की बात नहीं थी, because it was so fast paced कि
Yeah.
वो शहबाज जूनियर ने शहबाज सीनियर को इधर से उधर से बॉल उधर से, and within microseconds the game was changing. And
अली आपने इतनी अच्छी बात की है, आपने कमेंट्री की बात की, and I'm sorry, you guys will have to cut me off क्योंकि जब स्पोर्ट्स की बात हो रही होती है, something just comes inside, I just start talking, get really excited when I talk about sports and these things.
I don't know why I feel
Come
you're
here.
passionate about sports.
I wonder why. That's why I'm here, I guess. Commentary is an art, and not everyone should do it.
Correct.
I was told many times in my own networks as well कि आप radio पे आके बात करें, and I've always refused to do it because commentary and radio is an art, and we have amazing artists in Pakistan who've done it in the most beautiful way. एक तो sport खो रहा था, and people who made it actually, who romanticized it and made it so loving to even hear on the radio,
Yeah.
were these artists who were commenting on the game. And unfortunately, because of favoritism and nepotism, ये वो जो अच्छे commentators थे उनको जगह कम मिलना शुरू हुई. खैर अब तो radio as an industry तकरीबन खत्म हो चुका है. But yes, a very
So
very
do you
interesting
think you
point.
have the perfect face for radio or television?
The face, not the voice.
अच्छा.
I hope you got that.
अच्छा जी. Anyways,
one.
एक क्रिकेट की अभी सीरीज हो रही थी,
Yes.
साउथ अफ्रीकन वाली.
होने वाली है.
जी.
होने वाली है.
होने वाली थी या हो
We are playing the Asia Cup right now.
जी.
South
उसमें
Africa
ना-
got battered last night by England. If you saw that, 205 उन्होंने England ने score किया, and that was the first time it
So
happened.
they were supposed to come to Karachi, right? And then नहीं आ रहे थे.
Yes.
And surprisingly, people are also saying they're okay with it not coming. What is going on? Why is that happening?
So your basic question is why Karachi hasn't been given the matches.
Yes.
Yes.
That's the question.
Yes.
Yes.
So I spoke to PCB about it, and उनका ये जो है उनका जवाब ये है ऑफिशियल वर्जन दैट PSL के बाद क्योंकि ब्रॉडकास्ट यहाँ पर होता है तो सारी जो इक्विपमेंट है ना वो पंजाब में लाहौर में एंड बिकॉज द रेवेन्यू विच दे विल मेक फ्रॉम ऑल दीज मैचेस इज नॉट दैट हाई टू कवर ऑल द कॉस्ट हेंस द इक्विपमेंट जो क्योंकि मैचेस ब्रॉडकास्ट होंगे राइट दे विल जस्ट बी विद इन दैट रीजन ऑफ लाहौर मुल्तान एंड पिंडी logistically उनके लिए बहुत महंगा पड़ रहा है
So is it a case of people over here, because I remember last कोई match हुआ था and there were people, not enough people in the stadium.
Yes, absolutely right.
People just didn't go. In fact, if anything, not only did they not attend the match, they
Yeah.
were also cribbing and complaining, saying, "What the hell, you know, traffic रुक जाती है." etc.
Absolutely.
So it's not fun
बिल्कुल आपने
anymore.
बिल्कुल ठीक बात कही एंड आई कांट गिव द लोकेशन ऑफ वेयर वी आर राइट नाउ अदरवाइज इतना बड़ा जमघटा हो जाएगा अली के फैंस आ जाएंगे बट
सर आप
वेयर वी आर
मेरे तो
बट वेयर वी आर राइट नाउ इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू द स्टेडियम राइट इट्स नॉट टू फार थोड़ा सा आगे जाएं ना आपको जो हाल है यूनिवर्सिटी रोड का व्हाई वुड यू वांट टू गो you mashallah say you have a family you go to a match to experience a match day it should be fun you walk in with your family आराम से food stalls हैं washrooms हैं फ़ोन पे आप अगर आपको फिर से कोई replay देखना है वो देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन है जब आपको नेशनल स्टेडियम वो कुछ नहीं दे रहा सिर्फ रसवाई के और परेशानी के तो आप क्यों जाएंगे
Yeah.
It's a very normal question I'm asking. You guys have
I agree
well
with you.
traveled.
देखिए,
Absolutely,
what you're saying is it makes complete sense because गाड़ी खड़ी करो कश्मीर रोड पे
Yes.
ठीक है नूरानी कबाब पे वहाँ से बस लो बस से फिर उतरो आसान हॉस्पिटल पे वहाँ से चल के जाओ 3 जगह चेक पोस्ट
Yes.
ये अलाउड नहीं है ये अलाउड है ये है उसके बाद अंदर जाओ एंड इसके अलावा सिटीजन ऑल्सो क्रिबिंग when Shara Faisal is blocked for peak hours and then people are stuck. So do you think they should move these stadiums, let's say, out of Karachi and make
और
proper...
उसके बाद अगर आपकी टीम परफॉर्म ही ना करे दैट्स आल्सो अ प्लस राइट
Yeah.
द थिंग इज अली आप दोनों शहर के हैं यहाँ पे जब लोकल एक फुटबॉल क्लब खेलता है वहाँ पे उनको तो ग्राउंड्स कहना भी ग्राउंड्स की तौहीन है बैठने की जगह नहीं होती राइट अब उनको क्या मैच डे एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है कुछ नहीं मिल रहा बट लोग जा रहे हैं That's a question, right? आपने कहा in this show we challenge your critical thinking.
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's talk about it, right? When let's say 2 clubs in Liari or a club from Malir comes to Liari, आपको पता है जो उनको अपनी फैन फॉलोइंग साथ लाते हैं और उन जगहों पे बैठने की जगह नहीं होती 5 रुपए का टिकट बैठता है लोग छतों पे बैठ के देख रहे होते हैं लोग देख रहे हैं यार आप लोगों को इज्जत दें वेलकम करें लोग आएंगे
My question is that apart from the fact that people are just Karachi is just fed up of this, I have 2 questions. One, do you think we're just falling out of love with cricket? You know, and this is the city where it's happening, biggest city in the country, 25 million की population है, and there are no cricketers from Karachi either in the team. And I think at some point, on some level, हम सबको ये खलता है कि ये what the hell happened?
Yes, आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कह रही हैं आप and for that to answer your question the second one let's go a few years back and the rot started maybe 10-15 years ago
Yeah.
जो हमारा आपने कराची की बात की ना क्रिकेटर्स यहाँ से नहीं निकलते तो obviously by the time you get to the main team there's an entire pipeline
Yes.
कि आप पहले आते हैं अपने स्कूल से खेलते हैं कॉलेज से खेलते हैं
Yeah.
फिर आप अपने जो है क्लब से खेलते हैं उसके बाद आप आगे जाते हैं डोमेस्टिक खेलते हैं फिर आप टीम में आते हैं जब आपका जो स्ट्रक्चर पूरा है वो हर साल चेंज हो रहा है कंसिस्टेंसी है नहीं कभी प्लेयर्स को पता ही नहीं है कि वो किस टीम से खेलने वाले हैं ओवरनाइट आप हर चीज़ चेंज करते रहेंगे तो ज़ाहिरी बात है 10 साल बाद आपको उसका खुमियाजा भुगतना पड़ेगा अगर हम इस साल के डोमेस्टिक स्ट्रक्चर की बात कर लें कि कौन से टूर्नामेंट्स होंगे कौन से नहीं होंगे जो पिछले साल था उससे आज इस साल फिर वो चेंज हो गया इस साल हमारी डोमेस्टिक की कराची की टीम ही नहीं है जो PCB के टूर्नामेंट खेलने वाली है अब इससे बड़ी आप
Wow.
बैफलिंग चीज़ आप सोच सकते हैं
अलमिया
अलमिया-
लिटरली अलमिया is the
बड़ा
word,
शहर
right?
है।
सबसे बड़ा शहर उसकी टीम ही नहीं है
How
क्योंकि वो
ridiculous is
फॉर्मेट
that?
की
अच्छा तो मैं इससे आपको एक सवाल पूछूंगा अगर मैं आपको चेयरमैन PCB बना दूं या इंचार्ज ऑफ रिवाइवल ऑफ क्रिकेट बना दें चलें आपको राइट एंड मुबारक हो यू बीन नाउ बिकम द इंचार्ज ऑफ रिवाइवल ऑफ क्रिकेट इन पाकिस्तान
When
व्हाट
you-
वुड यू डू अल्तमश
ऐसा रोल तो मुझे मिलेगा तो मैं तो दूर भागूंगा कि मेरी आप जान बख्श दें मुझे आप मुबारक तो कहीं से नहीं
but you see
But,
what can we do
And it's really funny, you're talking about cricket right now. That just shows how important cricket is, and there's so many other things happening as well. But to answer your question, I would try my best to get 4 to 5 sincere people in, and then whoever's imposed me in this role, क्योंकि let's also remember कि PCB का जब chairman लगता है वो एक गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंटेड बंदा होता है
Yes.
वो सिस्टम के थ्रू नहीं आता वो पैराशूट करके आता है apologies to whoever is the head right now तो जिसने मुझे लगाया मैं उनसे कहूँगा कि क्या आपकी गारंटी है कि आप अगले 10 साल यहाँ होने वाले हैं? क्योंकि आप अगर 1 साल में गए तो मैं भी जाऊँगा। आप ये देखें ना, पिछले 3 साल में
डोमिनो
कितने-
इफेक्ट ना, इट्स ऑल
हाँ,
डोमिनोज, राइट?
yes.
सो हाँ,
पिछले 3 से 4 साल में कितने चेयरमैन चेंज हुए?
हाँ।
अब हर टाइम एक बॉस चेंज हो रहा है तो नीचे वाले भी इनसिक्योर हो जाते हैं कि भैया, तो बस अब यही चल रहा है। तो अगर मैं आऊँगा तो मैं अपने बॉस से पूछूंगा कि भाई आप हैं यहाँ पे? वो कहते हैं हाँ मैं अब अगले 5 साल हूँ। तो मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि 5 साल रहूँ और मैं 4-5 सिंसियर लोग जो मुझे लगता है कि वाकई सिंसियर हैं उनको लगाऊँ, एक सिस्टम बनाऊँ और उस पर हम सब साइन कर लें कि अब 5 साल ये सिस्टम चेंज नहीं होगा। दैट विल बी द फर्स्ट स्टेप। बाकी फिर बातें
So ये
होती
जो
रहेंगी।
एक थॉट है कि PCB has been in a constant evolution and transition.
I won't say evolution.
I'm being positive. I'm trying to be
Yeah.
as positive about
Okay.
I think
it.
a whirlpool.
A whirlpool. A
whirlpool.
whirlpool,
Yes,
yeah.
going round.
Evolving whirlpool.
गोल घूम रहा है.
गोल गोल घूम रहा है, ठीक है ना? सो एवोल्यूशन, ट्रांजिट, वर्लपूल, जो भी आप बोलें जिसमें हम लोग हैं, एक तो ये रोकना है आपने, ये जो विशियस नेगेटिव साइकिल है कि नया बंदा आता है वो हर दफ़ा बोलता है नहीं अल्तमश को हटा दो, रचना को लगा दो, अल्तमश कुछ नहीं करता था जो उसने किया था। तीसरा बंदा है उसने बोला अल्तमश को बैठा दो, रचना को भी हटा दो, अली मंजूर को ले आओ। सो एक तो ये आप कह रहे हैं चेंज करो, फर्स्ट थिंग कंसिस्टेंसी इन लीडरशिप एंड 5 ईयर टेन्योर। इसके अलावा क्या?
I think that's the main thing. पहले यही चीज़ हो जाए तो
नहीं
consistency
नहीं,
आ
but on the
जाएगी।
ground, how do we get people to the stadiums? How do we get people, you know, genuinely involved in sports? I mean, there was a time that we've seen कि रोडें खाली होती थी जब मैचेस होते थे।
Yes.
तो not
there
just
was-
cricket, whether it was hockey or anything else.
Yeah.
Why is that not there anymore?
That's because the quality at display, right? Once there's consistency, it'll translate onto the field as well. You'll start seeing quality again. Merit पे selection होना शुरू हो
You know,
जाएंगे।
interesting thing, interesting story about the National Stadium. You mentioned the will to do something, the sincerity जो होती है. National Stadium was built in 4 months. And this was exactly 70 years ago. 70 साल पहले, A.H. Kardar decided, okay, you know, if you're going to play, you know, this game in the biggest city in the country, which was the capital as well, we need a proper stadium. There was a radio appeal done to both the private and the public sector, and supported by the PCB and the government. In 4 months, they built a stadium. 4 months it took. National Stadium was built in 4 months by this East Pakistani engineer. And now we're in a
More
place
facts,
where
courtesy of Rashna.
cannot
Very
put in
nice,
our
amazing
nerd,
story.
right?
Thanks for letting
Right?
us know.
But now, 70 years on, we cannot figure out a better way for people to get to the stadium.
Amazing. Very
What
very
the
nice.
hell?
Thanks for sharing that anecdote with us. Amazing.
मुल्क में हीट वेव,
Yeah.
आइस हॉकी में हम जीत रहे हैं। What do you say about that? And why aren't we fostering that?
We should. It should be definitely more on mainstream media and the social media as well. And जिस तरह से आपने आइस हॉकी की बात की, उसी तरह से हमारी बेसबॉल की टीम भी है, which is actually doing very well.
Seriously?
Yes. See, that's the thing. Seriously.
We didn't know.
Exactly.
Acha.
There's
Oh,
also
wow.
a
It's a
baseball
national level team?
Yes, a national level team.
It's not some
competes
school
pretty
college
big.
team that went.
It competes pretty decently on the Asian level. In fact, Japan को भी उन्होंने हराया है.
Really?
But yeah. They've beaten India as well
And-
many times.
Japan, they play a lot of baseball,
Baseball,
there. So,
absolutely.
Yeah.
So, some very good work being done individually. तो पंजाब में एक 2-3 लोग हैं जो बड़े अच्छी तरीके से इसको लेके चल रहे हैं. And
So-
but
so-
the key is they hire a lot of, I mean, they get together a lot of diaspora players जो बाहर रहते हैं, right? US, UK, US में अगर हम बेसबॉल की बात करते हैं, आपने आइस हॉकी की भी बात की, US and Canadian, Pakistan, expat Pakistanis who are getting together and doing this. Very nice.
So you think we need to revive and have alternative sports other than cricket? We need to focus attention on them. So again, अगर आपको इसका chairman बना देते तो आप क्या करें?
A revival of sports in Pakistan.
Yes, I'm very serious because
Yeah.
Nikki, you're very passionate about it.
Yes.
You are genuinely, like when you talk, I see you becoming a different person
Yeah.
when you talk about sports, right? There's this sparkle in your eyes, there's this
You probably
smile on
also
your
seen
face.
जब हम बैठ के जमखाने में डिनर कर रहे होते हैं.
जी.
People come and ask about, yeah, इस मैच में क्या होने वाला है, and then the conversation goes on for like 20 minutes.
बिल्कुल.
For sure.
So this is me as a friend of Altamash saying कि you're very passionate about it. So if you were to do it, what would you do?
Encourage. Start with encouraging. नदीम अरशद के साथ क्या था? लोग
He's a self-made man.
कहाँ से उठा
हाँ.
और क्या कर लिया उसने? अब
और
आप
खुद
देखें. Exactly. Anyone who claims कि हमने ये किया है, it's completely him.
किसी का
So
कोई vision नहीं
you, सर आपका विजन है ना, हम ये यहाँ बैठे हुए हम. Encourage, make pathways. That's it. People in Pakistan, when they say they're resilient, they're actually that resilient that they make things happen. Nadeem Arshad is a living example of
and
that.
Speaking of the Olympics, so he won that one gold again completely on his own merit
Yeah.
and thanks to that one coach he had, I think.
Yes. Very
And
good
we were
gentleman.
all super happy about it. Sabne posts share ki, lots of promises were made to the poor guy, which half of which apparently were not kept. But
And the
speaking
FBR
of the-
served a notice to him, by the way, also.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah, even before he got those things, he was served a notice. So,
कि
what do
बस
we do
हम
to
आ
our
रहे हैं
heroes?
आपके पास.
हाँ कि आप पे इतना tax liability बनती है.
Iran won. Guess how many medals Iran won?
50.
No, they didn't win 50.
I just
obviously.
That shows how much Ali is into sports.
Yeah.
But Iran
They
is a
won-
sporting nation.
they
आपकी
won
बात पे
12.
I just
They won 12 medals.
12 medals, 3 golds, a sanctioned country with nothing coming in.
Yeah.
No resources as such, but there's such a focus on sports internally. And they want to go and
Absolutely.
win those medals. They want to go and show the world.
So this Arshad Adeem, ईरान करना चाहें तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं.
रिश्ना की बात को आगे बढ़ाते हुए एक बड़ी अच्छी स्टोरी बताता हूँ सीरिया के बारे में. बट उसके
Yes.
साथ हाँ, पर उसके साथ साथ आई इवन टेल यू, अभी रिसेंट एक सर्वे शाया हुआ था स्पोर्टिंग सिटीज़ इन द वर्ल्ड, 100 स्पोर्टिंग सिटीज़.
Yeah.
उसमें पाकिस्तान की किसी भी शहर का दूर दूर तक नामो निशानी नहीं है.
Aye, aye.
जबकि उसमें हमारे जो नेबरिंग कंट्री है इंडिया, उनके 2 शहरों के नाम आ रहे हैं, बाकी एशियन सिटीज़ के भी नाम आ रहे हैं, और कुछ ऐसी कंट्रीज़ हैं जिनकी 3-4 सिटीज़ के उसमें नाम आ रहे हैं. हमारा तो नाम और निशानी नहीं है. तो हम पहले ये मान लें कि वी आर नॉट अ स्पोर्टिंग नेशन.
Yes.
बस कोई टूर्नामेंट आता है तो हम जज्बाती हो
We're
जाते
not a
हैं.
sporting nation.
बट
I agree.
कैन व्हाट डू यू हैव टू शो फॉर इट? आप खुद ही इसका जवाब दे दें.
सर मैं इसका जवाब अगर आप मुझसे पूछें, ठीक है, हर गली हर मोहल्ला
Yes.
क्रिकेट लोग खेल रहे हैं,
खेल में.
पैडल का राइज हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
So at some level we do crave sports. I think we
Yes.
don't have the places for it. Would you
So
agree?
then we're
there?
not a sporting nation, right?
At least
एक
we want
नेशन की
sports.
प्रायोरिटीज़ क्या होती हैं?
True.
अगर उनकी प्रायोरिटी है कि इकोनॉमिकली अच्छा करना है तो वैसी पॉलिसीज़ बनाते हैं. अगर हम स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी पे आ जाते हैं, क्या है हमारी स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी?
आप बताइए क्या है? Because
वो है ही
I-
नहीं ना, क्या बताऊँ मैं.
I think like
अगर हम
yeah.
जो बजट से आते हैं ना, क्योंकि अब आफ्टर दी 18th अमेंडमेंट, और इतनी अमेंडमेंट्स हो गई वो याद भी नहीं रहती हैं. आई थिंक 28th पे हम पहुंच चुके हैं या होने वाली है शायद. 18th अमेंडमेंट के बाद स्पोर्ट्स बिकेम प्रोविंशियल
हाँ.
सब्जेक्ट, ठीक है. अब आप अगर चारों सूबों के आप स्पोर्ट्स के बजट उठा के देख लें, और फिर ऑफ कोर्स जो वफाक है उसका भी बजट होता है, पूरी चीज़ को आप मिला लें तो भी वो आपकी जो एक्चुअल जीडीपी है उसका वो 0.001% भी नहीं बनता. If that's your priority, then we are not a sporting nation. I have to be very honest here. You need to stop lying to ourselves.
So Altamash, first thing consistency in terms of वो जो हम बात करते हैं whirlpool वाली, वो change करें.
That's for the cricket
ठीक है?
board, yeah.
No, for even any other sporting, right? And then having sports policies that are reflected in terms of your budget that shows seriousness. If you
And
really want
honest
to,
people. And honest people.
and honest people.
Yeah.
The amount of corruption which goes on in these bodies, I'm not going to name anybody in particular, but the amount of corruption,
Really?
financial, moral,
But aren't these
everything.
very heavily regulated and audited bodies? All of them. I mean, आप उनसे वैसे किसी का भी सुने कि वो पेमेंट फंसी होती है, ऑडिट इधर उधर जा रही होती है, तो where is the corruption? How?
बस वो इंटरनली हर चीज़ हो रही होती है.
Okay.
अगर नहीं होती तो कुछ तो रिजल्ट तो सामने आता है ना कि यार हमने इसमें ये अचीव किया, उसमें वो अचीव किया, इसमें ये किया. तो कुछ सुनने में आता है आपको?
मैं आपसे एक और चीज़ पूछूंगा, वो ये है कि सबको मियादाद का वो छक्का याद है,
Absolutely.
right? Everyone remembers Wasim Akram, right? Why have we stopped producing the Wasim Akram and Miyadads? And this is just a reference from cricket, but for even Shehbaz Senior and those
Yes.
people, why, and the Jhanshir Khan and the Jahangir Khan, why have we
Squash,
stopped?
yeah.
Why have we stopped producing such?
This is like a question I can answer in two tiers. एक तो पहले अगर हम बात करें जिन लोगों के आपने नाम लिए वो 70s, 80s, early 90s, right? Sports on many level at that time was still a very played on क्या कहते हैं. अब sport has become very scientific. दुनिया बहुत आगे चली गई है, हम अभी वहीं पर हैं जो पहले हमारी जो 90s का या 80s का था. एक तो वो चीज़ होगी. दूसरा जो बाकी स्पोर्ट्स की आपने बात की कि शहबाज सीनियर, शहबाज जूनियर, कलीमुल्लाह साहब, ये वो, एंड दीज आर लेजेंड्स. मैं जब इनसे अभी भी मिलता हूँ मैं रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं. वो स्पोर्ट्स ही नहीं रहे. हमारे हॉकी के कैप्टन ने दे हैड वन सम रीजनल टूर्नामेंट, दे केम बैक एंड दे सेड हम नान छोले पे रहते हैं और आप हमसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि हम गोल्ड मेडल लेके आएँ, जबकि सामने वाली टीम का जो डाइट प्लान है उसको साइंटिफिक वे में उनकी न्यूट्रिशन एक कैलोरी वो ले रहे हैं उसको मॉनिटर किया जा रहा है. तो हम
Unbelievable.
कैसे, वो ज़माना और था. Things weren't as scientific like the way they are now.
That's
It's as
true.
simple
Yeah.
as that.
I mean, even we were talking about government bodies and all of that. So about in '96, after the '96 Olympics, Britain had done really badly. Was not the sporting nation it used to be, obviously, and it affects the national self-esteem. We know that, right? A good win it makes us all feel good, and they consistently and in a very focused way put everything behind winning in the next Olympics. They started, they reserved a chunk of the, ये जो इनकी लॉटरी होती है उसके funds were diverted into sports programs. The government stepped in, they earmarked which sports they had a right to win in, and they went after those again and again and again. And if you look at Britain now, it's top 5 में आ जाता है, I think, in the wins. So it is possible, but
आपने बड़ी अच्छी बात की. I was looking at because I knew I was going to come here. I was looking at some numbers yesterday. Britain की आपने बात की. They themselves have doubled their annual budget for sports and
Yes.
athletics and sports infrastructure. And the reason behind that is society, overall society को अगर हम देखते हैं, आपने society को एक किस तरह से आगे माशरे को आगे लेके जाना है, तो role which sports plays in that. Western societies, we know there's a lot of loneliness,
yes.
right? A lot of depression, these things. Sports, like you mentioned, paddle, everyone's playing paddle, right? So that feel-good factor, your adrenaline, your क्या कहते हैं, hormones inside are become much more positive. So they know कि अगर हम हमारे better infrastructure रखेंगे, people will come and play more and more sports. A, they'll fall less sick, so hence they can reduce their health budgets. Secondly, this whole feeling of being lonely and there's isolation, all ये सब खत्म होना शुरू हो जाएगा, right? And then they also the infrastructure which they make is so well made, then the private sector themselves utilizes that for their own thing. So then that becomes a revenue earning piece for them as well. So इतनी सोच जाती है इन चीज़ों के पीछे when these guys are doing it.
Yeah.
Britain has done that, Ireland has done that, Germany, I think in 2007 एक मैं उनके कुछ numbers पर देख रहा था, they doubled their sports budget because they knew that ये करने से जो हमारा health budget है उसको हम कम कर सकेंगे, कि लोग healthy होना शुरू हो जाएंगे.
Oh, that's some really deep
Imagine.
thought that I never even looked at it that way.
Yeah.
Country's self-esteem and उसका क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Do you think winning and let's say national cohesion or a country's perception of themselves or self-esteem, is it only about winning a sport that this cements it, or can it happen otherwise as well?
Participation. अभी हमने सीरिया की बात की, ज़रा वो आगे कर लेते हैं. 2018 का वर्ल्ड कप, सीरिया, यू फॉलो करंट अफेयर्स. सीरिया अब खैर ये तो नहीं कह सकते हालात ठीक हो गए, but at least now they have brink of civil war, consistent
Yes.
civil war since 2010, right?
Yeah.
Yet their team almost was on the cusp of qualifying for the 2018 World Cup, the main draw,
Wow.
right? एक आखिरी मैच रह गया था, सीरिया वर्सेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया, और वो मैच जो है आई थिंक ड्रॉ हो गया था, या वो शायद बड़े मार्जिन से, कम मार्जिन से वो हारे, and they didn't make it. A country deeply embedded in civil war got to that, right? So what you said, cohesion, perception, the whole
Both.
world saw that happening.
So, India and Pakistan have been arch rivals. ठीक है. We've seen that while they were arch rivals on the field, some of our cricketers since the past that we named were best friends with, the cricketers from India. And they were best friends, they were talking, they were meeting. And in fact, we saw a few shows also where we saw that the chemistry between them was so good. Why isn't that happening now? Where is that gone?
It still does.
It still
Maybe you haven't seen it, but it still does. They're all very friendly with each other. Yeah,
Really?
Yeah, for sure. There's a lot of respect, and it should be. I'm
And-
very, despite whatever which we see on TV, whatever, but they should be friends, and a lot of good vibes coming from these relationships, for sure.
What about sports and betting? I mean, there's a rise of betting apps here. There's a lot of betting going on.
But that's been
Just-
actually not happening now. It's been happening since sports is being played centuries.
But मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ वो क्या है. India has banned betting
Yes.
about 2 months back, right? Or
And do
2
you know who
weeks.
was the biggest loser in that?
Who?
The biggest betting company in India were actually sponsoring the Indian team.
Huh.
So that sponsor is not there anymore. But their sports infrastructure is so big and so vast and so strong.
Huh.
It took less than a few hours to find another main sponsor for them.
So should betting companies be allowed to sponsor teams in your opinion, or no?
And not as per my own judgment and as per the laws of this country. और आपने जो betting की बात की, do you
Yes.
know
हाँ.
पहली betting कहाँ से start हुई थी? क्योंकि आप पूछ रहे हैं तो कुछ तो research किया होगा आपने.
नहीं, I wanted to
Exactly.
use your expertise. I didn't want to
Absolutely.
overshadow it.
That's a good comeback, I must say. First betting started in the UK. This is going back a good 150 years. ठीक है, तब से ये चीज़ हो रही है. फिर फुटबॉल, एवरीथिंग ना, हर चीज़ के अंदर ये चीज़ है. बहुत बड़े बड़े स्कैंडल्स भी हुए हैं. रशना ने इंट्रोडक्शन में मुझे ये भी क्या कहते हैं, she spoke about the FIFA corruption scandal as well. अगर उस पर बात करनी है उस पर भी हम कर लेंगे. That very country has already put out a law that in the next 2 to 3 years, betting companies will not be able to sponsor their football teams. Completely unheard of. Yes. So, अगले 2 से 3 साल में सबको टाइम दे दिया गया है that betting companies will not be able to sponsor football teams anymore. वो खत्म कर रहे हैं, और इस रीजन में परवान चढ़ रही है।
तो यू थिंक इसलिए परवान चढ़ी कि वहां से खत्म हो रहे हैं, उन लोगों को समझ आ गया कि अब ये मार्केट टैप करो?
नहीं देखिए, मार्केट तो हर जगह रहेगी ना, क्योंकि आपका भी बैकग्राउंड इन चीज़ों के अंदर है, बहुत ज़्यादा फोरेंसिक्स, वो आप सब समझते हैं, ह्यूमन साइकी, राइट?
Yes.
वो तो है ही, वो तो हर जगह के लोग एक जैसे ही होते हैं ज़्यादातर, दैट्स व्हाट एटलीस्ट आई बिलीव, बट दे आर सीइंग द नेगेटिव कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस एंड द इम्पैक्ट ऑन सोसाइटी,
Of course.
दे रियलाइजिंग दैट अनफॉर्चुनेटली, एंड आई होप कि यहाँ पे चीज़ वो ख़त्म हो सके, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये चीज़ थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे राइस पे, उन्होंने ऑफिशियल लॉ बना दिया कि 2 साल के बाद
Wow.
फुटबॉल के अंदर नो बैटिंग टीम एट एनी पिरामिड स्ट्रक्चर, चाहे वो टॉप की प्रीमियर लीग की टीम है या नीचे बॉटम ऑफ द पिरामिड खेल रही है, नो स्पॉन्सरशिप्स।
वाओ, आपने फीफा स्कैंडल की बात की, टेल अस अबाउट इट।
That was quite shocking for me as well. This was, I think, May 16th, if I'm not wrong. मैं सुबह, मेरी शिफ्ट शुरू होती थी सुबह 6 बजे CNN पे, मैं ट्रेन में बैठा 5 बजे, 5-5:15 बजे ऑन माई वे, एकदम से फ़ोन पे नोटिफिकेशन आना शुरू हुई कि जिनीवा के अंदर अरेस्ट हुए, एंड आई इमीडिएटली नो कि ऑल हेल इज गोना ब्रेक लूज। मैं काम पे पहुंचा नहीं, माई एडिटर इज लूजिंग हिज हेयर, ये जल्दी आओ, व्हाटएवर इन इंग्लिश, एंड या it actually happened. Sepp Blatter, the head of FIFA at that time, and his entire Congress, they were in Geneva for the FIFA Congress. Votes होने थे, हमारे उस वक्त के फैसल साले हयात साहब भी वहाँ पे मौजूद थे, because he had to vote as well, क्योंकि उस वक्त FIFA की वोटिंग होने वाली थी, and yes, the American FBI ने रेड मारा, उन जो लोग थे उनको अरेस्ट किया वहाँ पे, big story, and यही था कि
And you broke it on CNN, did you break it?
No, it wasn't my breaking, but I worked on that story because that became CNN's lead story for the next month.
Wow.
Every bulletin would start with that story. So I was very
So
lucky to
cool.
be part of that team, reporting from Geneva, from London.
Yeah.
In fact, so FIFA is the federation which runs football all over the world. FIFA के umbrella के नीचे 6 confederations आती हैं, Asian, European, African, South American, North America सारी, right? तो क्योंकि फीफा में जब करप्शन हो रही थी, सब इसमें डिफरेंट लोग थे इन्वॉल्व, तो हमारी जो रिपोर्टिंग हो रही थी वो हर एंगल से हो रही थी,
जितने layers निकल रहे थे उसमें वो सारों को आप रिपोर्ट कर रहे थे।
आवर टीम आल्सो हैड द थिंग टू गो टू द कैरिबियन, क्योंकि वहाँ के एक साहब थे जो बड़े इन्वॉल्व थे इस चीज़ के अंदर फीफा में, तो ये स्टोरी कवर करने का बहुत जावियों से मौका मिला, कवर करने का बहुत नज़दीक से, बारीकी से हर चीज़ देखने का मौका मिला, एंड आई इवन से ऑन द रिकॉर्ड दैट had FIFA not given, in my humble opinion, had not given the World Cup rights to Russia in 18 and Qatar in 22, this might not have happened. Because in 26, the upcoming World Cup, जब अगले साल होने वाला है, वो USA में होने वाला है.
Exactly, yeah.
Do the math.
वाओ, अच्छा, so क्योंकि फीफा फुटबॉल पे बात हो रही है रचना इनसे, तो मैं इनसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा, और आप भी यू कवर फुटबॉल फॉर PTI Sports.
Yes.
What should we do for football in our part of the world, especially Karachi? Liari football team is amazing. Karachi United.
Yeah, I just have actually a caveat on that. It is on the rise, but do you think we have a right to win with football? Does football have a future here? Because there's a friend of mine, and we were having a conversation a while back, and he said, well, look at Britain, there are so many desis there, second, third generation. वो football, I'm sure खेलते होंगे, but they don't make it beyond a certain point.
Yes.
Is it a case of it's just not our game
Yes.
to play and to win at,
Yeah.
or is there some other reason for it?
It's another reason. And again, a very good question. It's blatant racism. Because जो उनकी जो second, third, जो हमारे generation वहाँ बड़ी हुई हैं,
Yeah.
किसी का वो नहीं है that they're less talented. उनको वो जो सीलिंग है वो तोड़ने का मौका ही नहीं दिया जाता वहाँ पे. ज़ीश रहमान साहब थे who went up to Fulham. अब एक एसाद हुसैन हैं जो नॉर्वे में खेल रहे हैं. He's ऊपर तक वो आए. लेकिन ऐसे मौके बहुत कम. राइस नबी अगेन इंग्लैंड आए, फिर उनको पीछे किया गया. ऑटिस खान जो अब मलेशिया में खेल रहे हैं. These are all examples. अभी हमारी ख़वातीन है लैला बनारस. I interviewed her a month ago. First South Asian of our origin to break into the Birmingham team. There's Mariam Mahmood who's now playing for Wrexham. ये आपको ऐसे बहुत examples मिलेंगे. But unfortunately, there are these barriers.
Yeah.
Indians हैं, Sikhs हैं, जो उनको नहीं मौका दिया जाता नेक्स्ट वो लेवल ब्रेक करने का. और ये सवाल बहुत दफ़ा होता है कि हमारा पाकिस्तान में क्या फ्यूचर है फुटबॉल का. 2018 में जब टीम्स यहाँ पे नहीं आ रही थी, क्रिकेट की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, अदर स्पोर्ट्स की टीम्स तो आ रही थी, क्रिकेट की नहीं, बाकी बाहर की टीमें नहीं आ रही थी, तो वेस्ट इंडीज़ की टीम का दौरा था, फुल दौरा था उनकी मेन टीम का 2018 के अंदर. तो हर मीडिया फैनफेयर, रिवाइवल ऑफ क्रिकेट, ये हो गया वो हो गया, ऐसे की बातें हो रही थी. So one of the leading anchors of Pakistan, he was interviewing the captain of that time, Sarfaraz Ahmed, on his show. And he said, Sarfaraz, देखें revival, this, that, whatever. अब कैसे देखते हैं फ्यूचर का पाकिस्तान में ये क्रिकेट का ये? He said, देखें आप बड़ी अच्छी बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन रियलिटी ये है कि किसी भी स्पोर्ट का जो फ्यूचर होता है या जो उसका स्ट्रेंथ होती है वो होती है क्लब, कि क्लब में कितना
Correct.
खेला जा रहा है.
Yes.
और क्लब लेवल पे अब बच्चे जो हैं, चाहे वो किसी भी तबके के, वो क्रिकेट में नहीं, वो फुटबॉल में जा रहे हैं.
Wow.
और ये 2018 में ये
Wow.
बात कही थी. और numbers have only gone up of football and cricket पीछे गए.
So you think football will rise here?
Will rise if we have honest people running the show again.
You
Honest
keep coming
and
back to the
consistent.
honesty bit. आपने 2-3 दफा बात honesty
Yes.
की बोली है.
Honest and sincere.
हाँ.
Sincere. गेम से सिंसेरिटी है, मुल्क से सिंसेरिटी है, अपने मफादात नहीं.
चलो
ऐसे
मैं
लोग
आपसे
मिल
एक
जाएं.
सवाल पूछता हूँ. Social media, is it trolling or is it also a means of meaningful conversation on sports? What's your
I guess both, whichever way you take it. But yes, as far as the players are concerned, it's very unfortunate what they have to go through, and even places which call themselves developed or civilized. हम इंग्लैंड की बात कर लेते हैं. हमने England is a test case for football. जो उनके players of the black players over there, the amount of abuse they have to face in any game if their performance is not there. Now, you have to remember, we aren't robots, right? They aren't robots, human beings. किसी मैच में वो अच्छा खेलेंगे, किसी मैच में उनसे गलतियां होंगी, right? But the amount of abuse they have to face, it's actually unfortunate. जब से कोविड शुरू हुआ, वहाँ पे कैंपेन शुरू हो गई, fight against racism, they'll take a knee and all that things. कोई फर्क नहीं. In fact, it's only gone up.
In fact,
It's
we
actually
saw.
really bad right now.
Yeah.
And at this moment
Yes,
in time,
yes.
it is at an all-time high. I don't think it's ever been this bad since
Yes.
probably the 80s.
And this is across Europe.
Yeah.
In fact, you must have seen Posh Spice from the Spice Girls has really talked about it, even on a documentary on Netflix, where how she was also facing the backlash when her husband wasn't playing well.
Beckham, yeah.
I think that
Beckham, yeah.
happens across the board. Like, and often if the player is married to an equally famous person, that the wife gets the flag. It's
She's at the.
which is like also extremely unfair. But so I have a question. So in the good old days, when cricket was doing well, we had departmental cricket.
Yes.
So WAPDA and all of these,
Absolutely.
the banks were in it, and they were the ones who were basically
Churning
funding
out the players,
cricketers,
yeah.
churning out the players.
सारे बड़े players
And
इन्हीं से ही
इन्हीं
निकले हैं,
आए।
कहीं ना
So
कहीं
So they
से.
would get a salary. So एक तो they were getting a salary, so that
Jobs and everything,
वो
yeah.
job थी एक तरह से, and then they got to play, and then etc. And that's all. It's over now. So
Yeah.
it was for all purposes the equivalent of club cricket on some level, I guess.
Club के बाद department.
Yeah.
So clubs तो थे.
Clubs and sorry.
Clubs
club
खेल रहे हैं, and then
there was
departments would come
yeah.
and pick the players. कि यार ये अच्छे
Yeah.
players हैं तो बाहर.
So one, doing away with that, how did that affect cricket in general?
Yeah.
Because when we look at India, they have clubs all over. There's a lot of internal
Yes.
tournaments,
Regions
Ranji,
regions
etc.
based, हाँ.
Regions बहुत
Yeah,
होते हैं.
Ranji Trophy.
Ranji Trophy. We don't have that over here.
Yeah.
And so do you
Our
think-
equivalent is the Qaid-e-Azam Trophy.
Exactly.
जिसका format हर साल change हो जाता है.
बिल्कुल,
Yeah.
बिल्कुल.
रणजी का 100 साल में change नहीं हुआ.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And so, do you think it's a case of we need the private sector to step in and say,
Yes.
okay, please save it,
Yeah.
and ये और किसी की बस की बात नहीं
See,
है.
everything comes down to the economics, right? Why would the private sector come in? अब HBL है, HBL की भी टीम थी जो उन्होंने बंद कर दी. वो कहते हैं we sponsor PSL और जो हमें माइलेज मिलनी होती है वो मिल जाती है, right? So why should we do this? आप incentive दें. It's as simple as that. Give them the incentive and they will. I'm sure most of these corporates want to do it,
Yes.
but when they see the way things are being run, why would they? Right? It's as simple
Correct.
as that. Plus, sort of political show, but जब Imran Khan came into power and he was very against the departmental system, although he himself is a product of the department.
Yes.
I think that was a disaster. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें भी की, बट जहाँ तक स्पोर्ट्स की बात है, यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों ने समझाने की उन्होंने कोशिश की. आप दोनों न्यूज़ से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं, आप लोगों को याद होगा. Misbah-ul Haq, Hafiz, Azhar Mahmood, I think Waqar Younis was part of that team as well. They all went to him समझाने के लिए कि प्लीज़ ये ना करें, तबाही फिरने वाली है. उस वक्त मैं डोमेस्टिक बहुत क्लोजली कवर कर रहा था. तकरीबन 12 से 13 हज़ार लोग ओवरनाइट जॉबलेस हो गए. चलें, अगर आपको डिपार्टमेंट नहीं रखना, यू हैव अ पर्सनल थिंग कि नहीं हमें नहीं, तो एटलीस्ट आप तब उसको बंद करें जब आपके पास एक ऑल्टरनेट स्ट्रक्चर खड़ा हुआ है जो इस पूरे इकोसिस्टम को सस्टेन करेगा. वो आपने किया नहीं.
So it collapsed basically.
It collapsed.
Yeah.
And उसका हम खमियाजा भुगत रहे हैं. It's as simple as that. अब उनकी तो
Yeah.
रोजी रोटी यही थी ना. पहले वो प्लेयर्स थे, फिर वो कोचेस बन गए, somehow वो किसी ना किसी
Exactly.
तरीके से सिस्टम का वो हिस्सा थे. In front of us, and it's very sad when I say this, because I was covering it so closely, we saw players who were good batters, good bowlers, part of the system. टीम खत्म हो गई, जगह उनके पास नहीं है, अब वो करीम चला रहे हैं, लोडर्स बने हुए
नहीं
हैं.
यार.
Yes.
That's so sad. That is
See that they gave their life to it.
Yes.
Overnight you took it away.
very sad.
Right? What incentive do they have anymore to do anything then?
अच्छा मैं थोड़ा माहौल चेंज करता हूँ.
Please.
आपका फेवरेट कैप्टन कौन है?
My favorite captain would be Javed Miandad.
Really?
Yes. And Imran Khan, because of his cricketing days, that
Huh.
corner tigers,
Yeah.
we were corner tigers for sure. That belief, right? The amount of players he made, but Javed Miandad for his brain. Oof, unmatched. और दुनिया में मैं कहता हूँ Javed Miandad.
अच्छा ये बताएं.
Who's your favorite captain? Let's all
Kareem
share our-
captain.
No, seriously. Who-
इसीलिए वो बंद होके चले गए यहाँ से.
Look, I'm a
The
big
best.
fan of Wasim Akram. If you
Okay.
ask me honestly, I think he brought such a dynamic persona, and then I even worked with him in advertising on one of the shoots for a client, and I was positively amazed कि यार such a down to earth guy.
Down to earth and professional.
Down to earth, professional,
Professional.
available. He was willing to do the hours because जब किसी celebrity के साथ काम करते हैं आप, वो एक दिन की shoot होती है, आपको कैमरा स्टिल्स, वीडियो स्टिल्स, फलाना शूट, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है, इंडोर आउटडोर. क्लाइंट कोशिश करता है कि इनसे सारा आप सब कुछ करें. And the biggest problem is celebrities are usually not so forthcoming for it. They usually try to stonewall you and they say nahi. But Wasim bhai was amazing. He gave us an extra day also next day.
That's
he
the
said,
reason.
you want to use my
Yeah.
cars, they're available for your shoot. Matlab, I was like,
That's the reason, Ali, why he's mashallah been able to sustain for that long as well. Is his professionalism. चाहे वो in his cricketing days or right now. One of the best people to work with and one of the greatest
I
cricketers this
genuinely hope
country
we can
has.
have him on the show one day.
One day, and like so,
Yeah.
if I had to pick a cricketer who
Yes.
who was, I think, a fantastic captain, and I don't play the game, so I just read about it.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's amazing, because most people don't. Yeah.
Would be Mushtaq Mohammed,
Nice. Of course.
because I had a conversation with Farishte Aslam a while back, and she said he was the most strategically sound captain. So he was the first one to go and do county, and he got everyone else into county when he was captain. He was the first one to sort of say, okay, you know what, if we're being ragged by the Aussies, stand up to them and like whatever. So he kind of like shaped the whole audacious nature of the Pakistan team, really. And also he managed to stand up to A.H. Kardar on the question of salaries. Kardar was the PCB captain, PCB head. And he said, you know what, you've just raised ticket prices and PCB is earning more money, give my players more money. So, which of course led to a lot of other things. Yeah, I mean, I think he was probably
A leader in its true essence.
a true essence. I mean,
You know.
and a character and a half.
Altamash, why don't you put together a documentary or a film of some sort? You have so much knowledge, so much passion.
You know, Ali, 2013 में एक फिल्म आई थी बॉलीवुड ने, भाग मिल्खा भाग,
Yes,
राइट?
हाँ.
और जो हमारे साथ जो हमारे रनर हैं उनको शायद किसी का नाम ही नहीं पता होगा.
bilkul.
You know, and our champ used to beat him in the 100 meters.
And that's just it. Like, you know, you look at any country, you know, there are some really great sporting biopics. There are fictionalized stories set within the sports arena. There are great documentaries out there, like, you know, the Bulls wali jo documentary hai uspe Netflix
The Last
pe.
Dance on Jordan.
The Last Dance, yeah. And we have nothing. And we do have good stories.
Yes.
But we are just not able to tell them. And I think that's one way of also getting people interested in sports and getting, well, the powers that be interested in sports.
I think for this generation,
Yeah.
if Arshad Nadeem साहब अगर उनकी story को अगर proper तरीके से एक अच्छी biopic बने, it'll be really inspiring for the
Yeah.
kids now.
Yes, yes.
His story and from where he came and what he achieved.
I think
mashallah.
what also we can do, since he's become such an inspiration, we should bring javelin more into schools, into sports, try to push that as a sport, because वो एक trending topic है ना अभी.
Yeah.
तो उसमें बच्चों को लगाएं, क्योंकि आज जो आप sportsman बनाना शुरू करेंगे, वो आपको आज से 20 साल बाद, it's like a tree, it'll give fruit.
Exactly. But
you
हम
know.
लोग के, I think एक है मसला, like Naseem Hameed won the race years ago. And
Saf में she won.
yeah, and like बहुत चर्चा हुआ, again self-made, and then forgotten, and then I have a horrible feeling that's going to happen with Arshad Nadeem as well. So we, again, consistency. We don't take things forward somehow. And
Plus, taken Naseem Hamid, her own background as well. I think she did the right thing. She went into the corporate sector, I think,
Okay.
again. Because she knows that she needs to put food on the table for her
हाँ.
family. कब तक ये sustain कर पाएंगे इस तरह से? क्योंकि कोई pathway ही नहीं है, कुछ है ही नहीं. Whatever earnings she had, अपने आप पे invest करके. Only fair, right?
Altamash, did you have fun with us?
I did. I hope you guys did too.
Rashna?
absolutely, this was a fun conversation. I think this is going to carry on after the recording is over.
Yes,
I'm
it
sure.
will,
Safe to
inshallah.
say.
I'm
Thank
sure.
you guys.
Let's-
Thank you for having me, guys. Thank you.
It was lovely having you. Before I close the show, I'm going to leave you with a quote. Don't ever start believing that you know too much, because then you start forgetting to learn. See you all next week.